$60 billion. Whoa, whoa, stop right there. You can't just lead with a number like that out of nowhere. That's pure clickbait. What are we even talking about? Market loss? Some failed government project? What is that number? It's the take from a heist. $60 billion was stolen this year. And the crime scene? It's the very device you're holding in your hand right now.
Skeptic. Stolen from who? How? You're being intentionally vague and you know it. Investigator. It's ad fraud. It's all the money that advertisers paid for ads that were never ever seen by a real human eye. They paid $60 billion to ghosts in the machine. And our main suspect here, well, it's a theory. It's called the dead internet theory.
Oh, here we go. I've heard of this. It's some fringe conspiracy theory that claims the real internet is gone or something? Look, it's not really a theory anymore. It's a business model. And the premise is actually pretty simple. Sometime around 2016, all the organic human activity online, it just started to die out. And it's been replaced by a simulation. You've got bots creating content for other bots to look at, all just to create this illusion of a busy, bustling digital world. An illusion for what? This just sounds like paranoia. Show me one piece of actual hard evidence.
You got it. Let's put the theories on the shelf for a minute and just look at the cold, hard facts of the case. We're going to start with the one piece of forensic data that this whole investigation hinges on.
So, Exhibit A, according to the 2024 Imperva Bad Bot Report, 49.6%, let that sink in, 49.6% of all internet traffic last year was not human. Almost half of everything happening online is automated.
Almost half. Okay, that number is definitely higher than I thought it would be. But hang on, not all bots are bad, right? I mean, search engine crawlers are bots, automated system checkers are bots. That number doesn't prove a dead internet, it just proves there's a lot of automation.
You're not wrong. Back in 2013, yeah, most bots were just these harmless little spiders indexing the web for search engines. But the suspect has changed. It's evolved. In the mid-2010s, we got click farms. You know, these huge warehouses full of phones just mindlessly clicking on ads. But now with generative AI, the bots aren't just clicking anymore. They're writing the articles. They're making the images. They're posting the comments. They are literally fabricating our reality.
Fabricating a reality? That's a pretty bold claim. I mean, what does this bot-generated slop, as you call it, even look like? It looks like a fever dream. And I want to show you one of the most disturbing pieces of evidence we've pulled from this whole crime scene. This isn't just about data anymore. This is about what the ghost in the machine actually creates.
Have you seen these things on Facebook? These bizarre AI-generated images? They call this one Shrimp Jesus. There are these distorted pictures of families with like 11 fingers. And then you look at the comments, thousands of them, and they all say the exact same thing. Amen. Amen.
Yeah, I have seen these. It's really unsettling. Why would anyone even make this stuff? And who are all these people commenting?
It's not a who, it's a what. Those aren't real people. They're just scripts, farming for engagement to make these accounts look real so they can be sold off to scammers or, political groups. This is proof of the simulation, hiding in plain sight.
Okay. I have to admit that's deeply weird. But it still doesn't add up on a bigger level. Why would the major platforms, Facebook, X, Google, why would they let this happen on such a massive scale? Who actually benefits from an internet that's just full of shrimp Jesus and total nonsense?
Now you're asking the right question. You always follow the money.
See, the platforms aren't the victims here. They're accessories to the crime. It's a simple three-step process. First, the bots inflate all the important numbers: monthly active users, engagement rates, view counts, you name it. Second, those bogus metrics let the platforms charge advertisers way more money. And third, those super high user numbers keep their stock prices artificially propped up. If they deleted every single bot tomorrow, their user base would totally collapse overnight. Wait a second. So the whole point is the platforms get paid by advertisers to show ads to the very same bots that are making their numbers look good in the first place?
Exactly. That $60 billion ad fraud isn't some glitch in the system. It's a core feature of the business model. It's the engine that powers the entire dead internet.
Skeptic, my God. It's a circular economy of pure fraud. It's like a snake eating its own tail, and the whole thing is fueled by ad money. So if half the people online are completely fake, and the content is becoming more and more fake, what does that actually mean for us? For the actual humans who are still logged on?
That's the verdict we have to figure out now, isn't it? What are the consequences of living inside this simulation?
Investigator, you see, the internet isn't dying. It's already dead. What we have now is a zombie mall. The lights are on, you can hear the music playing, the mannequins are all in the windows, but it's completely empty of real life. It's just an automated stage designed to squeeze money out of advertisers.
Skeptic. And that's the terrifying part. With AI video and deepfakes getting so perfect, we're walking straight into what they call a dark forest, a place online where you can't trust that anyone you meet is real. Every single interaction becomes a potential trap.
Which really just leads to one final unsettling question. I have to ask you, and I want you to really think about it before you answer. After everything we've talked about, are you sure you're not a bot? Of course I am. I think.